Hey, what's going on, everyone? Plumber Mike here. Working on this job where the homeowner was doing work in their backyard back there, and we had to move 2 condensers. Now they're here now, but excuse me, they were over here. And fortunately for us, the 2 air handlers are located up in the attic, and the line sets and control wire come down this line, then went into the basement, across, and then out. So obviously, as you can see, they're doing work in the backyard. We disconnected the units from over there. We had 2 pads poured, and we cut the lines up here and disconnected going into the basement. And we made a little connection here, like that. So right now I'm just charging up the 3-ton system. Not to test those, but we're good. This one's fine. And listen, stay tuned. In a minute, I am going to show you a video message from Kelvin. Kelvin, our HVAC tech in training, was called in, I don't know, I'd say about 2 months ago, to the New York State National Guard to help support, the people out there dealing with this whole COVID-19 Chinese virus thing. But stay tuned, guys. I'm going to play that video that he sent to me this morning. And a big shout out to Kelvin. I really appreciate your service and dedication to our great state and our great country. Thanks very much for watching. Listen, guys, we're at 992 or 93 subscribers. Let's hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Come on, guys. It's only need a few more people. We hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, and it really helps support the channel. Thank you. Stay tuned for Kelvin.
What's up, Mike? I made this video really quick. These are my people over here. This is my boy Salgado. That's the RTO Forbes. That's Ace over there. He's just doing his thing. We're just working at a warehouse, I manage it. I'm in the master tracker and stuff. I can't find my sergeants. They're all around. They're doing things here and there. I shouldn't be chewing a gum. This is all the stuff that we got. It's pretty packed in here. I can't give you the location, and I just understand that during military purposes. We got the forklifts right here. It's pretty much that's all it is. I'm good. Everyone's good. Family's safe and sound. I just hope that you're good, and I hope the pipe doctor's still doing the best for me out there. As soon as I get back, it's gonna be quite a show. I'm ready. I feel like I'm good. I'm there. I just want to say, God bless everyone out there doing hard work. This hard times, I hope everyone's nice, safe and sound. I hope the family's good, and I'll talk to you later.